And we're doing 1920 Donruss blaster box. Good luck, man. Just, just the hits, right? No base. Giannis, Hero, and Schofield. Man, good grief. You won't want this. Zion Williamson Orange Auto. There you go. R.J. Barrett, Kemba Walker, Hachimura. I gotta upload this one. LeBron, franchise feature. Zion rookie. This was a blaster. LeBron, complete player. Sabonis, orange. Nice, man. Congratulations. There you go. Hey, Dylan, man, I'd prefer you send like 7 and you get signature confirmation, man. But I'll just ship it regular if you want. It's your money. But I would insure that and get a signature confirmation. Well, it's $3 more. It's up to you. It's your card. I don't know how rare it is, but I would.
How many are you looking for? How many come in that pool? It's 100.